Hey guys, I'm Esther from Spicy Vegan Food, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious buffalo chickpea wrap. It only takes 5 minutes. It is the perfect lunch for when you're running around, you're busy, you're on the go. You can actually make the filling ahead of time, and then you can put this together in 2 minutes, even better. So I'm going to show you guys how quick and easy it is to make this. Okay, so let's get started with all of our ingredients. So first we have a tablespoon of diced red onion. If you don't like red onion, you can use green. We've got a 1/4 cup of vegan feta. I use this Live one. It is so good. Half a can of rinsed and drained chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of buffalo sauce. I use Frank's buffalo sauce. Half a rib of diced up celery for a little crunch. And we've got 1 tablespoon of vegan ranch. I use Hellmann's because it's the closest one that tastes to the real deal in my opinion. But you can use your own, make your own, whatever. And then we have lettuce of your choosing. And then I have 1 12-inch tortilla here. So for this, we are going to need a really big tortilla wrap to fit in all of this mixture. So we're going to grab a medium mixing bowl and start adding in our ingredients. This comes together really fast. So we've got our chickpeas, we've got our buffalo sauce. Again, I'm using Frank's. I know that one is vegan. I've got my vegan ranch here, again, of your choosing, but I'm using Hellmann's. I'm going to mash it up to you can mash it up to your desired consistency. I like mine pretty well mashed with a couple little chickpea halves in there. Then I'm going to add my celery and my red onion or green onion. If you don't like celery, don't worry. You can use just like a grated up carrot if you don't want to use the celery, but I love the taste of celery in this wrap. So I'm going to grab my tortilla. Now this looks like a lot of mixture for one wrap, but trust me guys, this is going to fill up this wrap perfectly. This is going to be the perfect amount for this nice hearty wrap that is going to keep you full all afternoon long. And I'm going to put my vegan feta and then my lettuce. I like butter lettuce, so I used 3 little pieces of that Boston whatever butter lettuce. Now I'm going to wrap it up. You have to be really careful when you're wrapping it, just like anytime you're wrapping up a wrap, because you want it tightly wrapped without busting that tortilla open. It is an art. That's why they call them sandwich artists, okay? So we've got that all wrapped up, and then we can hear that nice little crunch from the lettuce. We're going to cut right through that in half, and then it is ready to serve. So if you're bringing this to work or something like that, make sure you wrap it up really tightly because you don't want it to fall apart. It would be really hard to eat, but you can make that at the start of the day, bring that with you to work, and that is ready. Okay, so I've got my official taste tester here.
Taste testers. Okay, excuse me. So good.
I love that. That's delicious.
Some nice crunch. Great flavor.
Thank you. Okay, looks like my wrapping skills actually held up. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, you want to see more recipes like this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.